top of the night show. Sorry, say we start small late, make una no vex, not there for work. But we are on top and now we are back. What's up? Whoa. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes. That is how we roll. Like what? Like what?
And bounce.
Anyway, today on top of the night show, different information today, ground. But we get guests for today's show. This guest, when we get so, he dey look for trouble too much. Yeah, on a choke. Yeah, all trouble when you know. He fight the MI that time. He can't do one song that time.
Only him.
He will come. About more hit that time. But now one artist when they say I like now this guy be. In fact, me and him in go school together. We go. We go Mark. I mean hall. I mean we go school together. I don't know whether I me first come out, I be in wrong come out, I be them push wrong for school. But in be like that time you know what they do for school that time? Now Michael Jackson in the dance for school that time. Anytime when basketball game day,
in go dance.
Kenny go come dance Michael Jackson. In trouser they jump go up. I know when they Jerry, I want Pammy, he do Pammy.
That time. He wear that white socks.
He wear white socks.
Now read Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson that time now.
Yeah.
That time you go see get go the Kelly!
What be Kelly now for waiting Kelechi or
Kelechi now?
Yeah.
Kelechi. First one no go no say na Igbo boy. And na boy Kelly. On the kwaka or he go be like Kelly. They no go know na Kelechi. Kelechi. No, you call him Kelechi. Na Kelechi.
Oh, Kelechi.
Oh. Name. How your weekend hope say while I not dey my brother. I know some people dey traffic now.
People don't come back from the village.
Everybody
don't resume. Chai.
Anyway,
school massive don't resume. So
that's why true school don't resume.
Everything.
Hey, baby don't resume school today. I tell you something. You do cry today. What are you not talking about?
Baby.
I tell you. But you cry pieces, so.
Yeah, it's okay. Is this that is it? It's all right.
Cry pieces.
It's okay.
Anyway, on top the night show this night, we'll go talk to Kelly Handsome. But more back small chicken. If we come back, we'll go start with the video of the song where I love very, very, very much. Emily, Baba, Lowo. Easy, we play that song for me. Will they come back? Katim and IzyBeatz there for inside studio. We tell us to get Kelly Handsome. Kelly Handsome does sit down for inside studio. Anyway, those of you who are on top Twitter, those of you who are on top phone line, those of you who get credit for phone now. Begin the call us. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Today we go open phone lines now. Open them. You wait there, Enugu, Onitsha, Abia. Abreba.
Yes.
Ndo pa local government area of Imo State. Anywhere in no ya tanga eka. Italy. Because in Takamana ko si Italo. Only you call us from there to look for talk to Kelly Handsome. Anyway, Kelly, welcome to the night show.
Thank you very much.
How is the ministry?
Everything nice.
In case you know, I told you before. Me and this guy go Madonna University together.
This man.
We nearly fight for bank one day.
Help me ask them, I bet what me one made them fight.
For no, I love them. If let's say he won't match me that day, I been one match him. I don't know something. And that time that school can frustrate you.
Hey. No, people where they go to school now, they know.
No. Those who did that now, they know.
They take selfie now. That time, they born you well.
Born you well to.
One picture with boy and girl, they go investigate.
They go investigate and they go expel you.
Who snapped the picture? They go get the person. What was intention? Where did you snap it? Who was it? Don't be smart to know.
That time,
things don't change.
But it helped us though.
He helped us. We good people.
If they don't do it like that, you know for carry belly. So for that school.
That make me good.
No, from taking picture. I bet tell me no matter.
No. Man, no open your mouth.
No, just a little bit.
Man, no talk waiting make us fight for bank. Just leave that.
Leave that thing.
No, we don't fight. We don't fight.
No.
We don't fight. We just.
We know.
No, I be very good boy for school that time.
No, not good boy.
Will you keep quiet?
Not good boy.
We know because that time Before when they play the video, Nedu say something. He said that time when Kiliantom they were wear that in Shine Club, come on. He just
now
be like,
I tell you what not me, I go talk am.
Okay.
That time when we dey school, una think say na today Kiliantom start, he don't tell. He don't tell.
From
Since
Michael
2000, since year 2000, since Mbundi Musisi and Abraham. Na that time. Kelly Hansen that time with a beef am because all the girls they follow am. You see, for my school that time, if you know somebody play basketball,
Forget it.
forget it.
basketball.
Basketball.
Not for tall people.
Bam, leave that thing. Me wait all like this. I'm gonna begin play basketball. I begin play basketball. If you like play basketball,
You go learn now.
you go learn them. This one, it not cause me play basketball, but my brother, if you see what in this guy they do, on a kokase, up or left, he get different babes.
You don't start.
I like that.
Now only one babe I date throughout Madonna. Date.
You see Mark from my face.
Date.
Well, in date, Abi.
But they talk true, they laugh.
The only one babe in date, but you get friends. You know they pay me that time. You go see Kelly the Waka. From Calabar, good evening. Thank you. You go know this guy's story. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Nedu and Katim.
You know Kelly Hanson's story?
Hello.
Vanessa, how is you?
I am fine, Nedu. I called to say hello. It's been a long time. I miss you.
Miss who?
I miss you and Katim now.
Oh, sorry. I don't think another thing now.
Nedu, longest time.
No. But you didn't talk longest time now. You go. Tell say me you get what you do.
Don't say why they watch the program. You know, say my subscription been finished and as I no can't get money, I can't miss the program. So I just subscribe and say make I call you.
Okay.
You don't see Kelly Hanson here.
No, I don't need Kelly Hanson. Now Katim now I want to talk to.
You don't need me. You don't need Kelly Hanson. I'm going to talk to Katim.
You don't need IzyBeatz.
Oh, you don't need IzyBeatz too. Talk now.
Katim.
Man.
Good
Now you
evening,
dey follow.
ma.
You don't want follow men talk. You dey follow woman.
No.
Your mind not tell you something. 14 years.
Now Katim, you don't have
Idiot call. You don't come me. I don't get.
Idiot come to especially.
Untutu.
Oh,
say
no
he miss-
wonder.
Untutu.
I miss you well. I dey tell
He
you
say he
the
miss-
only advert where they like now that one where they talk say I will transform your life like the transformation agenda.
Vanessa, thank you. Good night from Lagos. Good evening.
Please do not enter
Lagos
somebody's
here.
DNA.
Hello. Jonah.
Yeah.
Nadu?
Jonah one na.
Say Nedu. No be Nebuchadnezzar. No be Nebu.
Na be Nebu o na Nedu. Nega wanna biko.
Hello?
Hello.
Nadu?
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Giwa kwa.
How far?
Abo.
You know this. You know the radio.
You know the radio.
Which kind of program it is?
So that time now, as I dey tell you,
Please.
if Father Ede one come talk,
Okay.
the owner of our school, Father Fanda,
Madonna.
Kelly
Top dog.
Hanson go come perform. If Father never, if Kelly Hanson never perform, Father didn't go talk.
Yeah.
That boy, that boy, go and call that boy. When I was in Ohio,
Nene, you don't forget something.
Kelly Hanson go come, ka,
Within Shine
girls go
Club.
shout, ah! This mumu.
Now go do one for road now. If they don't stone
And he
you.
get Jerry Coil for hair. He come Jerry Coil in hair. Come see cloth we wear. Trouser ya, I got near
Plus white socks.
no
when
white
they-
socks. He go see Cleanso. He go come outside. Ka. Who up here? Hi. Oh. When the team finish, you go see guys go the full arm. Kenny.
so
Kenny.
cute.
All of us go all day back the beef
Now
idiot.
this thing make we more nearly fight for Banco. It's just
This
a
same
good
thing.
job.
You go see all of us go to one corner. Idiot, see head. Idiot, nonsense. Hello, good evening from Holland.
Gonna do what?
Oh, Jeff.
Dave!
Our Holland connection.
Dave from life!
Yeah, one can just go Holland.
Where did it happen now?
Hey,
there,
we
we-
dey wait you. my brother.
We get Kelly Handsome, the one and only inside studio.
You're not gonna believe today, man. I just did inside car today from my work. I just did play one old school CD. Kelly Hanson enter that maga don't pay. I say, man. I remember this music again. I beg, Hanson, you try.
I greet you.
That maga don't pay, man. You bring me back.
Okay, we're bringing it back. We'll bring them back.
How you doing, my brother?
We just did. Now, hold on now. We try come now.
Definitely, we did. You dey come to Amsterdam, abi?
Yeah?
You come
to Holland.
No, we go reach there now very soon.
Definitely, we did. Katim, how you doing?
See me here, my brother. I get to come here today. How is your wife?
Madam, good evening.
The whole of the day, yeah.
Wait, Calabar people get this station.
You say?
I said, now Calabar people get this TV station.
Why you go think say Jeff is some? Jeff is a Holland
Wazobia.
somebody.
Jeff, I better give your wife.
May I give my wife?
Yes. Oh, our Igbo wife.
My brother, Izzy, how you doing now?
Our Igbo wife.
Don't worry.
Oga Jeff, give your wife phone now.
May I give one?
Yeah, hey, now.
I dey come.
No, when you will hear her voice.
Hello, good evening.
Hey, madam, good evening. Hey, madam. Where are you? Good evening.
How is family?
How is family?
And everything.
You're making me laugh.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's good to laugh.
It's good to laugh.
Together.
Madam, when will they come now? Madam.
Hello.
When are we coming to the Holland again, Nana?
We don't buy our bag,
Next month.
Madam, God will bless you and your family and your descendant and your unborn children, and from generation to generation, everything you do all right with you. Amen.
Praise the Lord. Madam, thank you.
Okay.
Adam, I call police, security. Security, I beg.
Hello, good evening from Lagos.
Oh, yeah.
Akan.
Hello,
Hello,
Akan.
Akan.
Mr. Nedu.
Sister.
Peace.
Somebody.
Oh, you call me Sister Nedu?
Hello, I think I'm somebody.
Akan, what do you call me, sister or mister?
Okay, Mr. Nedu.
Oh.
I'm not be there in Leo.
Mr. Nedu, I hear you now.
No, I
We
inhale.
will hail you back.
You hear?
Nedu, I think that after I do this with our program, I agree. Like, you know, they see the apple for the moment, sir.
Guinea.
Kelly Handsome day inside studio.
Kelly
Now
Handsome-
when they happen the
It's
moment.
all about Kelly Handsome now.
Yes.
On this show today.
Okay.
Kelly Handsome, aka Handsome Kelly.
Okay, my
HK.
Yes.
Did they hear you?
It's too much, I hear you.
I greet you too much, man.
I will just be there, you know, but you're collecting your car, but for maybe that's your car.
Take him now.
I'll be bad. Thank you. I don't know.
Come collect them from the television.
All right, Akan, thank you very much. From UK, good evening.
Good evening, how you doing?
In it, man, in it.
We're doing okay.
Okay.
What's poppin'?
How are you now?
How is the United Kingdom?
United Kingdom, officer. I just want to greet my my landlord in Eziobodo back in the days in Futo.
Hey!
Kelly Hanson.
My brother, I greet you.
Hello. Back in the days in Eziobodo, we just met one time like that.
No, but you never complete my house rent. You see the
I don't owe your house rent. But anyway, Sha, it's nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you, my brother. Salute, man.
Really cool.
Thank you very much, man.
Anyhow, Sha, I beg, we need that more MAGA music.
You don't know the next
don't need to
music,
talk.
but see you there.
You
You
don't
are
need to
all
talk.
sleeping on the bicycles.
You know, Ben, you don't need to talk. Kelly Hanson don't package and 2016, I die you.
Yes.
Shout out to Nedu.
Shut up.
My brother, shut up. Sorry, shout out to you.
Shout out to everyone in
Shout out to you too, man.
Shout out to you. Shut up. Ngwane, good night. Hello
bye.
from Ebe. Imo. Aston.
Your child look, no be that thing where you
Ngwakwala, look on Ngwakwala.
Nah, wait, when they call from there.
Why you come busy in Imo State network no good?
Aston.
no.
Anyway, make we watch one video from Kelly Handsome. This one they call him True Love. In fact, we'll never even ask Kelly Handsome any question.
No, it's okay. You know, we are just catching up. It's been quite a long time.
It's been a long time. It's been quite a long time.
No, it's been quite a long time.
Make we watch True Love. Because we'll come back and go begin ask Kelly Handsome questions.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.